Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this year we saw a decline in PC sales, and this has been marked with 7 consecutive declines. Now, the good news, according to Canalys, that checks the market share for PC sales and all of that, seems to say that the last quarter of this year, because of the holiday season, and they actually notice pretty strong sales, the decline of the PC sales seems to be over, and there's actually going to be a increase in PC sales for the Christmas holiday season, which is kind of interesting. And they predict that next year, 2024, PC sales will be up 8%. And that means they will be selling 267 million PCs. It's a lot of computers, and of course that includes Mac computers in there, which are about 10%, but the majority are going to be Windows. And this is going to be interesting because how much of an impact will all of that have on Windows 11? Because we're always looking at Windows 11 and its market share and where are we? And the impact also of Windows 12, which technically should arrive next year, and the fact that these new PCs might actually have new chips in them. Some of them for AI, so there might be neural processing chips in some of the new PCs sold next year. And we'll be looking definitely at the ARM side of things because we have all of these new ARM chips that are actually going to come in next year and in the next few years, including the new very powerful chips from NVIDIA and from also ARM, Qualcomm. So this is going to be very interesting to see where we are at, and I think this is going to be real nice to check out the change in the PC side and the PC market itself. So growth, apparently 8% next year, 2024. We'll see what happens. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.